Kenny here with Gardening Simplified. It's August 15th and we're going to take a look at this corn and give you an update. The corn is looking pretty good. Now I'm going to give you an update. On the 18th we had laid this by, and then we come back 2 weeks later and we laid it by again. And so that's been about a month ago. And you can remember this stuff was way down here. It was maybe 18 inches tall. Well, the following week, some bugs, I'm going to guess some type of caterpillar or something, started eating at these, eating in the middle of them, chewing up all the leaves on here. And I thought it was just the end, so I didn't pay it too much attention. And then come the week later, we got ready to lay it by. The whole thing was infested. So we started a spray program with using a couple of organic pesticides. The one was spinosad, which is the main ingredient. I think it's Captain Jack's or something, but Monterey's Captain Jack's. But the other one is BT, and we start out with just Monterey Jack, and we sprayed it. And then we started doing a mixture when we come back in here. In fact, I'm going to spray one more time today. And as you can see, this is going to be kind of hard because some of these stalks are up here 8-9 feet. So I'll get the best I can. But my concerns, I don't know if any of you that's grown corn has ever come across this. Now this is actually, it's tasseled up. It's pollinating, ready to pollinate. But I see no ears of corn whatsoever on these. And that is about as odd of a situation as I can ever say I've seen. So if you've ever come across that, just comment down in the bottom. But normally I'll see some kind of tasseling. Now these aren't all coming up at the same rate. Some's tasseling, some aren't, even though it was all brought in here at the same time, or as far as planted at the same time. But we'll see how this comes, and we'll keep you updated as far as that way if you ever run into that. But I'm going to attempt to go ahead and do this last spray. I've been watering this now every 3 days. I was doing it every other night, and I've swapped every 3 days. And once, if I do start seeing ears form, well, then I might go back to every other night to make sure it's got plenty of water to get some big ears. But you can see how well it's doing. This, like I say, it's been laid by twice, and this is a month. Actually, it's been a month since the last video when we laid it by, so that'll give you an update, because the last video was, we actually finished it on the 18th, and today being the 15th of August. So it's, like I say, it's been about a month. But anyway, I figured I'd give you this update, let you know how things are doing, and that way you can kind of watch and see. I kind of get busy and I kind of forget to do these updates. But anyway, if you want to see more, well, of course, hit that subscribe button, hit the bell so you'll be notified. Give it a big thumbs up and share this. Happy gardening.